Hello, James Manning here from Real Income Club, and just wanted to share a couple of thoughts with you before you complete this form. Question, how many programs have you joined this year? And not only that, how many programs are you currently a member of? I ask that because you may be like me and many others. We've joined so many programs, we can't even keep up with how many we're still a member of at this point. And we're joining all these programs. I call this program jumping because we're trying to find a way to make money. And none of these are making us money because these are products and services that have no value to us, let alone the others that we're trying to share this with to bring into the program with us. And it's of no value because it's not consumable and it's creating additional expense. We're having to spend extra money outside of what we normally spend just to be part of that program. So why not just switch stores and spend the same money on what we already use? If you and everyone that you know uses something every day of your life, if you were able to earn from that, doesn't that make sense? And what if it's something that is even better than what you're already using? It's the same thing, but it's just a better product. So you have the ability then to earn residual income with better products that will improve your health, protect your family from chemicals. And just because it's better products doesn't mean that it's more expensive. So let's stop program jumping and get off that cycle and get into something that makes sense, that's consumable, that's sustainable over a long period of time throughout your life.